In this video, I'll show you how you can find recently played with players on Roblox. Now first you need to install an extension, this right here. Search for restore old Roblox server list and add it to your Google Chrome. Don't worry, this is completely safe and it's not going to do anything to your Roblox account. Then you want to head over to Roblox, come up here and you want to activate it. Press on it and press auto search. Now then what you want to do after is you want to go to the server. Let's say you played VR Hangout with them. Then what you can do is press on servers, wait for it to load like this. If it's just a little box and you cannot see everyone, just wait and it's gonna load. Then what you want to do is find the one with the character that you played with and you'll be able to join them again. Another thing, if you know their name, you can click on this and search for them up here. And that's basically how you can do it. Now, if this doesn't pop up, you can try and reload your website and it will also work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.